Say Coast Guard City, USA. Coast Guard City, USA. We got this, right?
All right, here we go. We're not going to sink a drone today.
You sure? We shouldn't have somebody hold it when it starts off.
Can we hold it?
We can hold it.
We can hold it. Oh,
yeah. Wait.
Can't cut
somebody's got to, no, we gotta get, somebody's got to pick that thing up to start with. Pick it up. All right. Look at you, man. Look at you go.
High five! Whatever it says.
Now I gotta go that way.
Yeah, take it down the river. We have to make it longer.
Longer?
I don't know how to do that.
Oh, the line's longer?
It's going to be crazy to land. Well, because it gives itself its own weight. It's like going its own weight.
As long as you got it up, go that way.
Yeah. Listen, Frank.
Because if you're going to bring it down and it ain't good, that's good. You might as well go that way.
Okay. All right, hang on. Oh, it's twisted up. Yeah, I want to set it back up. At least, if it's going to crash, we want to open the boat. Yeah. I'll catch you. Land is better than
So we need the line longer, right? So let's bring it over here. Somebody, all right, need somebody go down and we're going to put it on the land.
little bit.
We're going to go over land, come down. Yeah, that's the problem.
Frank just wanted to fucking advertise.
No, we were going to use the bigger one first. Somebody's got to go help Zach right now. Hurry up. I got to get the video. It's Frank. You got this? The engineer's going down. What do you guys think? Should it be the engineer?
We got it.
Hey. What do you think? What do you think?
Oh, let's go to get her.
All right, we're going to get it.
I got it.
Okay, bring it in.
I know, that's how you make money. Advertising.
We're bringing this in.
Alright, what's up?
You don't get it.
I get it.
I'm a new age. I'm a new age. You don't get it. I'm the new generation.
No, you don't. Not good. Cannot zoom or cut in or out in this mode.
I need a crash here. I need a crash in the place. Get the Where's my phone? Rick.
All right, you're bringing it in. Bring it in. Can dock.
I like that. Keep an eye on this.
I'm trying to bring where we're bringing this. Huh? Hurry up, for the battery goes dead. You gotta get that thing longer.
Battery's going down. DezziRidez.